So, you want to get a new Android phone, but you're having trouble deciding. Do you go with Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel, two of the top brands in this space? If it's a good camera you're looking for in your next smartphone, then you're spoiled for choice because all of the best Android phones will take stunning shots. Of course, some stand out more than others. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has one of the very best camera systems you can buy. It's so good that it can replace most standalone mirrorless cameras, but it comes at a price. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, on the other hand, is loaded with tons of AI-based camera features that set it apart from the rest, and it's a little more affordable than some. Both are among the best smartphones in the world, which can make choosing between them tricky. If you're stuck on which one to buy, you've come to the right place. Here, the two phones go head-to-head in their camera systems. So which wins, Google or Samsung? Let's check it out. One thing you can be sure of, both the Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S23 Ultra have incredible camera systems, each with their own unique features to boast about. Google focuses more on the camera software both pre- and post-capture, while Samsung delivers some seriously advanced specifications. When it comes to software, there's plenty to play around with on both phones. The Pixel 8 Pro in particular has a seriously long list of handy camera tools. There are pro controls like shutter speed and ISO to manually set up your shot. You can snap stellar nighttime photography using the night sight feature or astrophotography to shoot the night sky. After you snap your photos, Best Take will allow you to blend your images together to create one where everyone looks their best. When you capture videos, Google uses AI to reduce distracting background noise. The Magic Editor will allow you to resize and reposition objects to create the perfect picture. It doesn't get much better than Pixel when it comes to camera software. Samsung might not have quite as much to say for itself on that front, but the S23 Ultra still has plenty worth mentioning. You get night portrait to create professional-looking shots in low light, focusing on the subject while blurring the background. Astro Hyperlapse creates a cool recording of the night sky, packing minutes of footage into just a few seconds. The 200 megapixels resolution delivers incredibly crisp photos. You can turn your pictures into works of art using layering in the multiple exposure settings. And of course, there's the 100x zoom, which can capture far more detail than the human eye can see. The S23 Ultra, as well as most of its direct predecessors, can easily be considered the phone when it comes to overall camera versatility. This is unlikely to change once the Pixel 8 Pro arrives, as Samsung's top flagship will still have more features and be the more versatile camera phone. However, Google has seemingly improved lots of aspects of the Pixel camera package that make it an exciting prospect. Photos taken with the Pixel 8 Pro have better dynamics and better overall colors, while the S23 Ultra delivers slightly overexposed images where dynamics are decidedly on the boosted side. There's also lots, and by lots we do mean lots, of over-sharpening with the S23 Ultra, which is certainly off-putting, especially in comparison with the more natural-looking Pixel. At lower light, the most severe differences between the two flagships is the color science and overall color temperature in the different scenes. Galaxy S23 Ultra low-light photos are a bit noisier and with some artifacts in the darkest areas. Overall, both are capable at low light. At 5x, the Pixel 8 Pro naturally has the upper hand when it comes to overall detail and quality, while the S23 Ultra is much softer. Tune things up to 10x, however, and things take a 180-degree turn, with the Galaxy delivering a much cleaner photo with better detail resolve. At night, however, Samsung's much slower 10x periscope, which has a very narrow aperture, doesn't really shine. In fact, the Pixel 8 Pro has done a better job at capturing a 10x zoom. Of course, at 5x, the Pixel 8 Pro also shines thanks to its native 5x telephoto. The ultra-wide camera of the Pixel 8 Pro captures more natural photos in comparison with the oversaturated and oversharpened mess that the S23 Ultra delivers both at day-night and nighttime. And talking about the video quality, I am leaving a few of the samples for you to decide and let me know your thoughts about both the qualities. Which one do you prefer the most? So overall, the S23 Ultra is easily the most well-established flagship prodigy available on the market right now, with the most features among most of its rivals and overall delivering excellent value despite its very premium price tag. Could the Pixel 8 Pro successfully rival that? Of course, provided that Google perfects the overall package and prices its next flagship right, it could establish itself as the phone to get if you don't vibe well with the Galaxy ecosystem. So, what do you guys think about both the devices? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.